Welcome to Foxify's Build for Success series by FoxEcom. In today's video, we'll guide you through creating captivating product pages using Fox Studio, drawing inspiration from successful examples like Kismet Pets. Kismet's product page is a fantastic example of how to combine aesthetics and functionality, making it a perfect inspiration for our project. We'll be using the powerful Foxify Page Builder app to bring this vision to life. So let's get started. The first product details section is the most important part of any product page, providing customers with all the information they need to make informed decisions. We'll assign the product we want to apply this template to once published. Now, let's add a section and adjust its width and background color. Then, we'll add the product details element. Foxify offers several layout options for product media. Here we'll use the stacked layout, like Kismet, with sticky on scroll enabled for the media. This ensures the media stays visible while scrolling, especially if the product media section is shorter than the content on the right. To personalize the product images, we'll use custom CSS to remove gap between each product images. Check out our description below for all custom code used in the video. Adjusting the width. Next, let's edit the product content. Some elements like the product title, price, and variant picker are already included, but feel free to customize or add more. We'll start by adding a stack over the existing product content stack. Adjust its width and padding. Then put the existing product content stack into this stack. Change the position of the existing product content stack to sticky and set the top value, ensuring the content stays sticky while scrolling. Now, let's add a food sticker to highlight the product's category or feature. Start by adding a new stack to the product content. Within this stack, include a text element labeled food. Set the height and width to define the sticker's size. Then, assign a background image to the stack and center the text inside it. To position the sticker above the product title, group the sticker stack and the product title into a new stack. Then, change the position of the sticker stack to absolute so you can place it exactly where you want. Next, add the product description element right under the price to provide detailed product information. For the variant picker, we'll use the button style and hide the selected option value. Since Kismet's variant picker has a unique design, we'll add custom code to match their brand aesthetic. After the variant picker, Kismet shows an anchor button that takes visitors to the related section on the page. To achieve this, we'll add button with the click action as jump to anchor and provide the ID of the section you want the page to scroll to. After that, we'll replicate a combination of the quantity input and add to cart button. We will stack two nested stacks horizontally. The first stack includes the quantity input, and the second one will feature the add to cart button. Finally, remove unnecessary elements and style each element to match your reference design for a cohesive look. The next section provides customers with essential details about Kismet's products, recipe details, feeding guidelines, ingredient lists, guaranteed analysis, and our satisfaction guarantee. To create this section, start by adding a container stack that holds 3 child stacks. The first and last stacks for creating the wavy effect, while the middle stack will showcase collapsible content to present the product information in a user-friendly way. To create the wavy effect, start by setting an appropriate height for it. Next, add a child stack specifically for this effect stack. Assign it a background image featuring the desired wavy design. Adjust it to display perfectly and align the background color with the previous section. Repeat this for the second effect stack. Next, customize the middle stack by applying a background color that matches the wavy effect. Provide a descriptive title for each collapsible content block. Use appropriate elements, such as text and images, to present the product details effectively once you've added content to each block. You can further refine its appearance by navigating to the Design tab. Here, select the specific element you want to customize under the What Do You Want to Design section. Options include the element container, element header, and element content. You can also customize these elements in both the open state and the normal state. Following the product additional information section is a combination of appealing visual with key product features, presented side by side for maximum impact. To streamline the process, we'll use the FoxTransfer Chrome Extension. This tool lets you directly copy any web design and paste it into Fox Studio in just a few clicks. If you're new to the FoxTransfer Chrome Extension, don't worry. Check out our help material linked in the description below. After pasting the section into the editor, it's time to refine the design. Make some style adjustments to ensure the section aligns perfectly with the reference page and matches the overall aesthetic. Now, let's move on to the next section showcasing customer testimonials. Each review reflects genuine satisfaction, helping potential buyers feel confident in their choices. To build this section, we'll also add a container stack that holds 3 child stacks. The first and last stacks are used to create the wavy effect, while the middle stack will display the customer testimonials. This wavy effect is slightly different. Start by adding 2 child stacks for the effect. The first stack will hold the background image with the wavy design, while the other will serve as the connecting color. Set an appropriate height for the effect stack. Then, apply the wavy design as a background image to the first stack. For the second child stack, set the connecting color to match the current, previous, or next section. Set the height of the connecting stack to approximately 50% of the effect stack. Choose the absolute position setting to freely move and align this stack within the effect stack. Repeat the same process for the second effect stack. Next, customize the middle stack by applying a suitable background color. To start, add the grid element to the middle stack. Set it to have 3 cells in 3 columns. Adjust the width, padding, and the gap between each cell to ensure a clean and balanced layout. In each cell, we'll add 2 stacks, one for the image and one for the testimonial content. For the image stack, adjust its size to fit the reference design. Provide a background image to create a visually appealing frame. Add an image element and set a suitable width to ensure it scales correctly. Next, configure the testimonial content stack. Adjust the size and padding to ensure a tidy and well-spaced design. Add a custom code element containing the SVG code for the rating stars. Finally, add text elements to display the feedback and the author's name. Repeat this process for the other cells in the grid to keep everything consistent. That's it. We've successfully built the testimonial section.
A theme is like the backbone of your store, defining its overall look, feel, and functions. We proudly introduce you, Zest. The one and only theme for mobile commerce success. A solid base for your online store that is more flexible than flexibility. Create an immersive experience in product discovery. Showcase your products in style in a breeze. Boost your marketing efforts with Zest's built-in tools, empowering you to engage with your audience and drive sales. And especially, built with the success of mobile commerce in mind. It's time to create an incredible shopping experience with minimal setup time. And ensure a hassle-free experience for your customers. Ready to take your mobile commerce game to the next level? Join the revolution with Zest.
Let's get back to building our product page. Following the testimonials section is rich text section. We'll use the FoxTransfer extension to speed up the process of creating the website. Let's see how it's done. Next up, we're diving into the Goes Well With section. This area beautifully showcases complementary products that enhance the shopping experience for pet owners. Let's take a closer look at how to effectively set up this dynamic section using the Foxify. Add a stack to as a container for 2 elements with a background color. Inside this stack, include the marquee element and the related products element. Arrange them vertically for a clean and organized layout. The marquee element serves as an attractive and dynamic title for this section. Add suitable content blocks like text, images, or icons to your marquee element. Navigate to the Design tab to style the content blocks. Adjust fonts, colors, and sizes to align with the reference design aesthetic. Set a background color for the marquee element and customize the scrolling motion by adjusting the speed and direction. Next, configure the settings for the related products element to ensure it displays products and auto-slides effectively. To align the product cards with Kismet's design, we'll add some custom CSS to enhance their appearance. As we wrap up the Goes Well With section, let's transition into our FAQs. This area addresses common questions and concerns that customers may have, providing them with the information they need to make informed decisions. We'll begin by adding a stack to serve as the container for 3 key elements. Inside this stack, we'll include the marquee element, the collapsible element, and a wavy effect stack. Arrange them vertically for a clean layout. If you followed the previous sections, you'll find this process familiar and easy to replicate. Let's see how we customize this FAQs section using Foxify. Following the FAQs section, we will incorporate a review widget from a third-party app. Foxify's app extensions feature makes it easy to integrate your app into Foxify pages. Once you have installed your desired app within Foxify, adding the app widget to your page is straightforward. This integration allows you to leverage the power of customer feedback, presenting it in a dynamic and engaging format that can significantly boost your credibility and customer trust. For more information on how to integrate apps, be sure to check out our instructional video. Now that our page is ready for desktop view, make sure to switch devices to adjust the layout for other screen sizes, ensuring a flawless experience. With Foxify, creating your ideal page has never been easier. What type of store should we design next? Let us know in the comments below, we'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more expert e-commerce tips and tricks. See you in the next one.